Hello friends, once again I am your Uniri ma'am and today I am here with another grammar topic. It is about writing skills and it is a dialogue writing. So how you can create such a dialogue or conversation between two people of a particular situation or a particular act or action. So this is how it will help you to develop this conversation between two people on a certain topics. Okay, so dialogue writing this is a very known form to you guys, that day to day life you are doing this conversation kind of thing with your friends, with your parents, with your teacher, but it is a kind of a very legal form where you are supposed to write down the conversation of a two person on a particular topic or a particular agenda. Introduction. Dialogue. Something sometimes spelled like dialog, dialogue, as in American English, the way you are spoke, the way you can write. So dialog, dialogue, or dialog, dialogue in American English is a written or a spoken conversational exchange between two or more people, and a literary and theatrical form that depicts such an exchange. Okay, so it's a kind of a spoken or written conversational exchange between two people, or rather than two or more people, and a literary and a theatrical form that depicts such an exchange. At what kind of dialogue exchange or conversation exchange between two people that you have supposed to depict in this. Yes, writing a dialogue must follow certain basic rules. The language should be simple depending upon the relationship between the speakers. How your speaker is, according to that, you are supposed to maintain your language skills. Though a dialogue should read like a real speech, the dull parts should be taken out. A real conversation would be completely boring to read. Edit out the filler words and unessential dialogue, that is the dialogue that does not contribute to given situation. So sometimes reading this kind of conversational things is a completely boring kind of process, so edit the filler words and unessential dialogues, and you are supposed to give that you're supposed to omit the dialogues that are not contribute to the given situation. So you have to be very careful while you are creating dialogues or creating such a conversation, because this conversation make your work boring or interesting. So your dialogue should be very much proper, or rather we can say that in a particular manner, that it won't seems like that your work or your conversation is like a boring. This language or the way you are writing is that effect to grab the attention of the reader, so no one wants feel boring and they feel like to read your conversation. Yes, how to write a dialogue. So what are the things on which you are supposed to put your more attention? For example, keep it tight and avoid any unnecessary words. Keep it tight means it doesn't mean that you have to type down your paper. Keep it tight means keep your conversation point to point and try to make it more effective with the use of the language. Move the action of the scene forward. Okay, so don't repeat a sentences again and again. So at a basic you have started and then you have to move your action against the forward scenes. Keep it oblique where characters never quite answer each other directly. So this is how you have to maintain this writing texture and things. Reveal character dynamics and emotions. So uh, reveal this character sketch looking, it's a very good and a deep thing where you are supposed to creating dialogues for novels and dramas and all. Here in your level you have supposed to write at the very beginning level. So this is, guys, these things for you to keep in mind according to your level. Okay, reveal character dynamics and emotions. Keep speeches short. Your dialogue should be short, not too short but not too long, because it will create a boredness. Ensure characters use their own voice. Add intrigue, no small talk. Add remember, interruptions are good. No small talk. Here it is related to the novel writing, not for you guys where you're supposed to write on a given a practical situation you're supposed to write. So this is the different matter. Okay, remember that interruptions are good. Means again they are interrupted asking such a questions, cross questionings, and then it will help you to improve your dialogue writing skills or dialogue making skills. Yes, conversation between two friends meeting after a long time. So here I am giving you two examples so you will get a better idea that how to converse it. Two friends, Ankita and Kavya. So Ankita, hello Kavya, how are you? It's been long time we have met. So generally, hello, how are you? And then it's a long time that we have met. Oh, hi Ankita, I am doing good. What about you? As Ankita says, hello Kavya, how are you? So she is giving reply that, okay, hi Ankita, I am doing good. And what about you? Ankita, I am fine too. So where are you working right now? I am working at the Bosco company. So this is how they start their general conversation. You have to take to the move your conversation to the next scene. So they are doing with that. Okay. So she suggests that I am working in a Bosco company. Ankita asked that. That she is too fine and asks that where she means Kavya working, and she says that she working in a Bosco company. After, sorry, Ankita, oh really, that's a great company. What is your post there? Kavya, I am working there. I am working as a software engineer. So now again Kavya asks that really, that is a great company. If your husband is working on a Bosco company, then it's a great one. So what is your post there? Ankita asks Kavya, and Kavya says, I am working as a software engineer. Okay, as we all know that it is 21st century and ladies are in the almost all the fields. So software engineer. This is continue one Ankita. That's really nice to hear. Kavya, thanks Ankita. So what are you up to nowadays? Now we have come across that Kavya is doing a job of this software engineer. But what about Ankita? So Ankita says that I am a travel blogger. I used to travel to different places and explore different cultures and varieties of foods to write in my blog. I would like to ask you also to follow my blog. So now Ankita is doing a work as a travel blogger. Means she has to travel different places and explore different cultures and varieties of food it to her blog. So it she would like to you also to follow his blog. So you will get a very good idea regarding that how she is exploring her knowledge as a traveler. Ankita, thanks Kavya. Kavya, hey, why don't you join me and my family for tomorrow's lunch? They will also be happy to see you. And Ankita says that thank you Kavya, and Kavya again invite Ankita for tomorrow's lunch. Ankita, actually that's a great idea. I would love to meet them. First of all, directly you can't say no. Says that actually it is a great idea and I really wanted to meet your parents. But Kavya, so it's decided you will come to our place tomorrow at 1 p.m. We'll see you then. And then Kavya give her a invitation of a lunch tomorrow, that please come tomorrow at 1 p.m. We will all see you in a particular place, or rather the place of Kavya. Ankita, okay Kavya, see you tomorrow then. And Ankita is agree to go with her, and she says that she will see you her tomorrow. Now the another one. So David has met with an accident. Now David has met with an accident, and his friends Rahul and Varun are talking about him, that how he was feeling and what are the other sources. For example, Rahul, do you know that David was hit by a two-wheeler? Now Rahul started. Rahul says to Varun that, do you know that David was hit by the two-wheelers? Oh no, when did it happen? Varun is unknown. So he says, oh no, when did it happen? Rahul, he was hit by a motorcycle on his way back from school yesterday. He was hit by a particular motorcycle on his way back to home from school yesterday. So yesterday this happened when he was up to his on the road, when he was up to his house, and he was met with an accident yesterday. Varun, how did it happen? Rahul, he was crossing the road at the zebra crossing when a speeding motorcyclist jumped the traffic light and knocked him down. So, Varun asked that how did it happen, and Rahul asked that he was crossing the road at the zebra crossing. So he was crossing the road, zebra crossing. So he was not in a fall. At the same time, the motorcyclist in a speed or speeding motorcyclist jumped the traffic light and knocked him down. So he wanted to be able to control his or her vehicle, and he is also met with an accident and traffic light and knocked him down. And this is how David met with an accident. Okay, now continue. Is he badly injured? Now he is asking that, if he met with an accident, then is he badly injured? Rahul, he has fractured his arm. So it's not that much, but he has got fracture in his arm. Varun, oh, that's sad. I supposed he will not be able to participate in the inter-school swimming competition next week. He was sure to have won the trophy this year too. Rahul, yes, he was quite upset about it. So now Varun says that, this is sad, because I suppose that he won't be able to participate in inter-school swimming competition next week, because in swimming competition you need your both hand, and one of his hand was injured badly, so he won't be able to participate. He was sure to have won the trophy this year too, and he was this year also too much confident that he will win this trophy. Rahul, yes, he was quite upset about it, and Rahul says that yes, he was quite upset about it because he won't be able to participate in this music in this swimming competition. Yes, to sum up, I would like to say that good dialogues illuminates what people are not saying. Sometimes good dialogues are illuminate means they are describing some that people are not saying. Okay, whatever things, words which are not saying, they should be also understand via this dialogue. That is called a good dialogue. I hope you liked it. I hope you get a better idea how to converse and create your dialogue with your friends. So be creative and do something uh, particular particularly on a specific topic like this, to try to converse a dialogue with the help of the different topics which you will find anywhere, because it's a very much common or it's a day to day thing. So you will get idea about a topics, and then you have supposed to write this much for your need of your examination. Till then, take care. Bye bye.